Hello viewers. In the words of Christian Bale, that's why we have spares. Look, hey, I'm sitting here scrambling. My computer was acting up. Ran out of room. I'm sitting here scrambling, trying to get content out. Don't worry. Got it done. Got it fixed though. We're going to put some content out. Alright. What's up, Steam Deck fans? You know I got you covered. Like always. Anyway, alright. What I got for you fans? Like I told people, you need two of everything, two cars, two computers, because things happen. Anyway, what do I have? Let's see here. Wine 9.11 release continue the ARM improvements. Wine 9.11 has arrived, has a new development release for the Windows compatibility layer with its new features and bug fixes for a big part of what makes Proton possible. From the changelog, the highlight includes C++ exceptions handling on ARM platform, more DPI awareness, support improvements, various bug fixes. Going over the bug fixes, they note problem solves for Settlers 4 Gold, Ghost Recon, Long Dark, The Room 4 Old Sin, Saint Kotar, Overwatch 2, Aim Beast, Steam Client, Jensen Impact Launcher, EverQuest, Empire Earth Gold, Hard West 2, and Portal. And of course various bug fixes to other issues. Expect behavior to get more working on Linux. Alright. What else we got? Oh yeah, I got you guys covered, man. You know me. Gotta put the content out, man. Alright. What else we got? Let's see here. Steam OS 3.6.5 preview for Steam Deck out, plus 2 Steam beta client update. Valve has now put out Steam OS 3.6.5 preview for Steam Deck, plus a further 2 beta release of Steam client for users. They're all pretty small updates. For first up, Steam OS 3.6.5 preview notes. Fix an issue with 3.6.4 that could incorrect inputs on left side of the deck controller. Given recent updates to the Steam OS 3.6 preview has been quite small, perhaps we're getting close to stable release. Now it's going to be another fun one to see. Everyone on that includes the likes of an updated Arch Linux base, update Mesa graphics drivers, support for some HDMI CEC features and Steam Deck LCD overclocking, and much more. And 2 beta updates for the main Steam client. Desktop and Steam Deck includes fix disk write failures report in the log when starting games with the shader manager disable. June 4th. Fix in-game purchase browser not loading properly. Alright. Now let's see what else we got on this, on the update front here. Okay, NVIDIA's turn. Says here, NVIDIA exploring ways to support an upstream kernel mode GPU driver. Time to get your popcorn out, as it seems NVIDIA are continuing their steps to further improve their Linux support on their GPUs. We've seen NVIDIA make a few more direct steps towards open source lately, like the 560 series and above will switch to open kernel modules by default and turning plus. A big patch set for Novi, and even contribution to NVK. Now they're exploring more ways to support an upstream kernel mode driver, as posted on the DRI Devel mailing list from NVIDIA. Ben Skeggs, who was the former Novi lead, he said NVIDIA has been exploring ways to better support the effort for an upstream kernel mode driver for GPUs that are capable of running GSP-RM firmware. Since the introduction to Nova, the use case has been identified for which separating the core GPU programming out of the full DRM driver, stack is strong equipment from our key customers. And then it says upstream NVIDIA GPU drivers should be able to support current and emerging customers. Use case for vGPU hosts. NVIDIA vGPU deployment to date do not support compute or graphics functionality within the hypervisor host and have no dependency on Linux graphics subsystem. Instead, implementing minimal functionality requires to run vGPU guess VMS. For security-sensitive environments such as cloud infrastructure, it's important to continue support for running a minimal footprint vGPU host driver in a stripped-down / bare-bone kernel environment. This can be achieved by supporting both VFIO and DRM driver as client of a core driver without requiring full-fledged DRM drivers or DRM subsystem itself to be built into the host kernel. It says a core driver would be responsible for booting and communicating with GSP-RM enumeration of HW configuration, shared / partition resource management, exception handling, and event dispatch. The DRM driver would do all the standard things a DRM driver does and implements GPU memory management. Then it says TTM/HMM and KMS command submission, etc., as well as providing UAPI for user space clients. These features would be implemented using HW resource allocated from a core driver rather than the DRM driver being directly responsible for HW programming, as Novi KMD is already split. In the logical sense, along similar lines, we're using it here for the purpose of this RFC to demonstrate the feasibility of such an architecture and open it up for discussion. Well, if you can't beat AMD, join them. Yeah. Anyway, what else we got? Since we're talking about all these updates here, what else we got on the Steam Deck front? Oh, Ubuntu. Oh yeah, they're starting to take video games seriously. Listen to this. Canonical detail improvements the Steam Snap work to advanced gaming continues on Ubuntu. It says Canonical are well into development on Ubuntu 24.10, the next non-LTS version of the popular Linux distribution, and things keep improving for gamers. In their latest developer update, Oliver Smith, the interim engineer director for Ubuntu Desktop, goes over some details that were already made in Ubuntu 24.4, like some of the fine-tuning they did to the Linux kernel that improve gaming performance. Says here, as for what to come, plenty of changes are planned for Steam Snap package. This actually appeared for the first time in recent Steam survey for May, which shows up as Ubuntu Core 22. Smith note how Steam Snap will soon get updates with a broader range of permission that should resolve a number of outstanding reports that will enable Steam to have access to the things it expects. Willis still maintaining the dependency management and update user space driver benefits. Then it says more changes are coming, like Genome 46.2 for Ubuntu 24.4 and their improvements to the new Ubuntu desktop installer. Their App Center is getting various improvements, like running Snap no longer blocking user from using the update all option in the management interface, supporting externally downloaded deb files, and the gaming tab will soon sort application by their average rating by default. Yeah, Ubuntu is taking gaming seriously. Yeah. Anyway, what else we got on the Steam Deck front? Let's see here. On the gaming front for Linux, that is. Let's see here. What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? No, we got something else here. There's something here. Let's see. Okay. Man, what's this? Man, let's see here. RISC framework laptop mainboard. No, RISC-V framework laptop mainboard tease plus open source release for laptop shells. Some exciting news for hardware enthusiasts, as Framework just announced today that Deep Computing has made the first partner develop mainboard RISC with main board with RISC-V. The RISC-V Star 5 JH7110 SoC main board will be compatible with Framework Laptop 13 models, truly showing the power of what modular computing can be for laptop. Here's a shot of it below. Says here, Deep Computing will be showing off during the RISC-V Summit Europe 2024 between June 24th and 28th in Germany. They note it's still in early development though, but it's still designed to just be an easy, quick swap like other modules for the Framework Laptop 13. From the Deep Computing press release, this is just the beginning. The modular RISC-V mainboard showcase our commitment to pioneering open source hardware solution that will empower developers and enthusiasts alike, say Yuning Lian, CEO of Deep Computing, says there's fantastic philosophical alignment between the framework and RISC-V. Communities with a focus on deeper and end-user empowerment. We designed the Framework Laptop from the start to enable this kind of architecture flexibility, and we're excited to see what Deep Computing is creating with the new RISC-V main board, says Nirav Patel, CEO of Framework. Then it says you can see more in Framework blog post 2, which goes over some more details. Linux and open source enthusiasts should keep a close eye on the RISC-V, with it being an entirely open architecture, so there's no fees involved like with ARM and no gatekeeping like x86-64. Says Framework also recently put up open source shell CAD design for both the Framework Laptop 13 and Framework Laptop 16, so that you can basically do anything with it that Framework says was to enable unlocking development of cases, skin, and other customization parts. Deep Computing also recently announced an Ubuntu RISC-V laptop as well, the DC Roma Laptop 2 that features the Space Mint SoC K1. And then it says a very fun time to be following hardware with RISC-V and ARM, both taking bigger steps towards more desktop use. The next 10 years certainly will be interesting. Look like we're slowly getting a processor shakeup that's been long overdue. Yeah, competition, the market. Anyway, keep pushing here. See what else we got on the gaming front. Now, for you Steam Deck fans, I got something for you. Let's see here. New Steam Deck update addresses Bluetooth. New Steam Deck update addresses big Bluetooth issue. You can now check on the battery life of your Bluetooth device on the Steam Deck, while DualSense controller also receive a rumble fix. It says a new Steam Deck update dropped over the weekend, and including fixes target primarily towards Bluetooth features. This includes now being able to check on battery life of connected device and fixing issues like absent rumble in Bluetooth controllers. It says the Steam Deck continues to reign as the best handheld gaming PC, despite strong competition on the horizon from the ROG Ally X and Zotac Zone. Frequently small updates help keep Valve's handheld ticking along. This latest one has more to it than meets the eye. Many of the smaller Steam Deck updates features only a few lines of fixes and changes, but the update for June 13th contains some substantial fixes and changes, mostly in regards to connected Bluetooth device. The highlight of these changes is that you can now find a device battery information under setting Bluetooth and in the quick access menu. Then it says here you can also toggle a Bluetooth device to allow to wake your Steam Deck up from sleep when it's activated. Though these two new features are welcome, but are launching alongside a wave of other fixes Bluetooth issues. It says rumble in the DualSense controller is now working as it should, while improved gyro to mouse behavior is expected when using Bluetooth. When using Nintendo controllers, games may previously have showing incorrect input, but this should also now be fixed with this latest update. And then it says, among the non-Bluetooth update content highlight are improvements to inactivity feeds, a one-time pairing setup when connecting to a remote computer, and reducing the network traffic when connecting and reconnecting to your friends list and chat. The new update is available to download right now from your Steam Deck setting menu and will require a console restart to take effect. Full patch notes can be found on Steam. Then it says, these new updates make it easier to use the best PC controllers with Valve's handheld, which makes playing the best Steam Deck games a lot easier. Yeah. You little Steam Deck fans, you're spoiled. News, deals, games, update. The usual. Yeah, you guys are spoiled. Yeah. But I'm joking when I say that though. But yeah, Valve got you covered, man. Oh yeah. And there's a lot going on in the Linux gaming world and tech, so more updates are coming, and I'll keep you guys up to date. But yeah, my computer was acting up. I need some more space, so yeah, I was scrambling. I had to get it done, you know, because I was thinking of you guys and girls when I was trying to get back up to speed here. So yeah, I got you covered, and I'll keep you in the loop of what's going on. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars Star Trek thing. Board, Dark Sector. Go. Peace.